Hey, good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourselves. I'm your English teacher, Archana Singh, welcoming you all to the English class. As we were doing the exercises of Two Little Kittens, we will continue today from B8 to C2. Okay, so let's start. Read the poem again and find out at least 6 pairs of rhyming words. Also add at least one more rhyming word of your own to each of these pairs. One example has been done for you. Night, fight, ride. Right? See, I haven't found that rhyming word. If I'll find it out, then I'll let you know later on. And rest of the words are fell, shell, smell. Broom, room, bloom. No, go, no. Door, floor, adore. Mice, ice, rice. Means we have to write rhyming words. We have already done in our previous classes. I have only not found that rhyming word. When I'll find it out, I'll give you out in the snap form. When you will get the snap, you will write down the answers. Next one is value based question. This is not so important, but you have to do it by your own. That's why I have not done it for you. That is, you have to read the story first of all from the Panchatantra, the Two Cats and the Monkey. Okay, you will read this story and also the poem Two Little Kittens. Means what similarities and differences you got from this two story and poem, you have to write it down. So go to YouTube, search for the Two Cats and the Monkey, listen the story and then find out the similarities and differences you found regarding Two Little Kittens and also the Two Cats and the Monkey. मतलब ये स्टोरी को भी पढ़ना है, टू लिटिल किटन्स को भी पढ़ना है. दोनों स्टोरीज में जो भी आपको सिमिलैरिटीज का मतलब समान, डिफरेंसेस का मतलब अलग अलग, वो जो भी मिलता है वो आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. ठीक है, उसके लिए ये पोएम भी, ये स्टोरी भी पढ़ना ज़रूरी है. और ये तो आप पढ़ ही रहे हो किताब में, इसको पढ़िए, इसको भी पढ़िए, पढ़ के उसमें मिलाइए कि क्या उसमें सिमिलैरिटीज़ है और क्या उसमें अलग है, डिफरेंस क्या है दोनों में. ठीक है, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक दिस पोएम एंड द स्टोरी टीचर्स. अब ये भी तुम्हें लिखना होगा कि ये पोएम और ये कहानी तुम्हें क्या सीख देती है. व्हाट लेसन डू यू लर्न, तुम्हें क्या सीख मिलता है. ठीक है, सो B9 यू विल डू ऑन योर ओन, और जिसका आंसर सबसे बेस्ट होगा आई विल पोस्ट इट इन द क्लास ग्रुप. ठीक है, जिसका आंसर सबसे बेस्ट होगा मैं उसे क्लास ग्रुप में पोस्ट करूँगी. Okay, now let's move to C1 and C2. That is, answer the following questions individually. How many friends do you have? I have 10 friends. आपके पास जितने भी फ्रेंड्स होंगे उतने फ्रेंड्स के नंबर लिखना है. Who is your best friend? For example, I have written Arush is my best friend. Whosoever is your best friend, you will write your best friend name. Write at least 2 to 3 things that you like most of your best friend. I have written he is helpful, he always supports me when I do a useful work. If you want to write more information about your best friend, what do you like about your best friend, you can write on your own in your own words. Okay, next one is C2. What does the true friendship mean to you? Give your opinion by putting a tick mark in the boxes provided. Sharing your lunch, books, toys with your friend, helping each other in studies, playing together, listening to each other's problem and finding a solution together, helping each other unconditionally without expecting anything in return, having faith in your friend, loving your friend irrespective of his social status, all of the above. From my opinion, it is all of the above, because friends doesn't come in any social status or any poor or rich. Friends means friends, whether he is poor or whether he is rich. Okay, friendship is the greatest boon for us of all, right? So दोस्ती हमेशा अमर रहती है ना. चलो, so I hope you have all understood the exercises. जो भी मैंने बोला for the B9 value based question, though it is not important, but I want you people to read the poem and the story and write down the similarities and differences required. Okay, and those answer will be good. I'll post it in the group. मैंने समझा दिया. अगर still अगर समझ में ना आए, you can ask me. Okay, by this I'll end my class. So all of you take care, stay fit, stay strong, stay at home, respect your elders, teachers and parents, do your assignments on time and send me on time. Okay, and most important, stay at home. So have a very good day ahead to all of you. Bye students, take care, bye.